See, for the proper understanding of the very first feature of business environment, I have written some important points. So, the first particular term is totality of external forces. See, I have written the actual meaning of totality here, that is sum total. After that, for the external forces, I have written the factors which affects the business outside, that is externally. Some examples also I have written for the same, that is government policies, behavior of customers, investment by investors, etc. So, after combining the definition, I have written one more important point, that is, so it is important for the management to analyze the economic, social, and other forces for taking strategic decisions for the business. One more important point that you have to note down for first feature is external forces affects the business directly or indirectly. So, with the help of this explanation, I think you people can easily understand the first point, that is the first feature of business environment. So now I want to start with the second important feature of business environment. So the actual heading which you have to write for the second feature is journal and specific forces. See, first of all, we have to try to understand the actual meaning of journal and specific forces. That what is the actual meaning of journal forces and what is the actual meaning of specific forces. I want to start with the journal forces. See, the journal forces are that type of forces which are common in nature or have indirect impact on the business. These are the factors, these are that type of forces which affects any type of business, whatever it is, manufacturing business, it is trading business, it is of small size, it is of large size business, whatsoever the type of business is, but these are the factors which affects any type of business indirectly. That's why these type of forces are also known as inhuman forces, that is the factors which affects your business indirectly. Some examples also I have written. See, economic conditions, legal conditions, social factors, etc. Social factors or legal factors includes different type of acts. So many times we have studied the very common act for the consumers, that is Consumer Protection Act 1986. One more act is there, that is MRTP Act. Some social factors like reservation of women candidates in jobs. So these are the examples through which you can easily learn the meaning of journal forces. In short, I can say that journal forces are that type of forces which affects any type of business indirectly. That is, these are the forces which affects the business partially, not completely. Some organization might be, they will be having some impact, that is negative impact on their businesses, but on the other hand, some businesses may be only 1% they will be disturbed because of these factors. But at the same time, we are having the next type of forces, that is specific forces. Specific, with the term only the meaning is clear, that is concrete, the exact forces, the forces which are exact in nature, which affects any type of business. Again, I'm telling you, any type of business, whether it is manufacturing, trading, large size, small size, whatsoever the type of business is, these are the factors, these are the forces which affects any type of business directly. That is, with the help of these factors, a business house can generate more and more profit if the factors are favorable. If the factors are favorable, then only such type of businesses can generate profit. But at the same time, if the factors are not favorable, then such type of businesses won't be able to generate profit. They will surely suffer loss. So it is quite important for all the business houses to study all the factors, whether the general factors are there or the specific factors are there very clearly. See, specific forces or factors includes investors, customers, suppliers. See, if your investor is not ready to invest in your business, obviously your business will affect, obviously your business will suffer loss, because you are somehow directly depends on that particular investor for the investment. And at the same time, if your investor is not ready to invest with you, reason whatsoever the reason will be there, maybe because of the dividend only, maybe because of your financial condition only, whatever the reason will be, but if your investor is not ready to invest in your business, for sure your business will suffer loss. At the same time, I have written the second example also, that is customers. See, behavior of the customers is quite important for the business. If your customer is not satisfied with the business, if your customer is not satisfied with your work, then obviously your business will suffer loss. So I think with the help of the difference between the journal and specific forces, both the points are quite clear to you. One more important point I have written for the journal forces. Already I have explained, but one more time I have written for you, that is journal forces are also known as inhuman forces. So in the next video, I will come with the third feature of the business environment. Thank you.